Hello.
Hi,
Hi there. How are
how are
you?
you? Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, properly.
Perfect. How are you doing?
I'm doing well, and you?
I'm doing good. I see that you have so much time on Cambly. I'm impressed.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice. Okay, before we get started, I do want you to know that I have a class in about 2 minutes. So I don't want
Okay,
to.
don't worry. Okay, just next time I will make a reservation with you.
Oh, it sounds great. Enjoy your 4 hours and 33 minutes on Cambly. I know you'll use it
Great.
all day.
Yeah.
No, it's
And
human.
so, what do
Of
you
course.
do
Oh,
besides teaching?
I work at a financial firm, financial planning firm,
Oh,
like
wow. Sounds
investments. Ooh,
complicated.
you know,
Complicated.
um, not kind of sometimes, but the U.S. is complicated, like with retirement and with
Great.
stuff like retirement and things like that. A lot.
Great. And
How about
yeah,
you?
so would
What do you
I am studying engineering and only 1 year left to become graduate.
do?
Yeah. And after my graduation, if I get a chance for getting a great job, then I definitely go for that. Otherwise, I continue my study as master degree.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
Would you want to do your master's or like, would you want to do your master's abroad, or what do you think?
Yeah, I have a wish to do master on abroad in the uh, country like USA or UK. If I get a chance, then I definitely go for that.
Then you'll definitely go for that. Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, you're more than welcome. More than welcome here.
Thank you. Thank you.
And what kind of engineering do you do? Like civil
Yeah,
engineer?
it is electronics and communication engineering.
Oh, nice. Now
Yeah.
that sounds complicated, but good.
Yeah, exactly. It is like software engineering.
Ah, okay, gotcha. Okay. Well, not to cut us off, but I do have to go. But thanks so much for your time, and I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Okay, yeah. Bye.
Bye bye.